Uh, Welcome back, YouTubers. This is still Uncle Pythagoras attending to grade 11 mathematics. We are dealing with the nature of roots. Now we are going to see the real world application of the nature of roots. We are going to grab some few examples so that you will all understand what does that mean. Then you are going to say without the use of calculator, not the use of calculator, without solving problems, without actually solving the following equations. Right? Without actually solving these equations, discuss the nature of roots. Discuss the nature of the roots. Now we will be given some few. I will just grab some few so that we can go along. Let's say I have a here. It is going to be x squared plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Let's rather, for the sake of the space, right. If you are not going to solve each and everything here, you are just going to do what? You are going to discuss the nature of roots. How will be the nature of roots? You come to this instrument called discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac, where you have your a as 1, b as 1, c as 1. I cannot mention that to you already. You have a clarity of it. What is your b is 1. 1 squared minus 4. What is a is 1. What is c? C is also 1. Which is 1 minus 4. Which is minus 3. When you have a minus 3, you take your minus 3, you put it inside this root form. You are going to get a what? A non-real number. So what does that mean? It means that it is the nature of roots are 1, non-real. Once the number is non-real, you don't have to talk about rational, equal, and so on. Once it is non-real, it ends there. If it is real, then you go and explain how real so it is equal or unequal. It is rational or non-rational. So let's grab number 2. Just to give you a glimpse of what is happening. X squared is equals to 2 into x plus 1. Here you have to rearrange so that you will see what is happening, which is 2x plus 2. You take everything in one side of the equation. X squared minus 2x minus 2 is equals to 0, where you have your a. You have your a is 1. You have your b is minus 2. You have your c is minus 2. Then your discriminant is going to be b squared minus 4ac, right? Your b squared, your b is here, minus 2 squared, minus 4. What is your a? Your value of a is 1. What is your c? Your value of c is minus 2. This is going to be minus 2 squared is going to be 4. A negative times negative is positive. A 4 times 2, it's 8. What is 4 plus 8? It's 12. Right. This is the real number. Let's start here. This is the real number. How is this real? It is irrational because this is not a perfect square. It is irrational and it is unequal. The equal part, remember I said when you get a discriminant to be 0, you must know that it is equal. Once it is not equal and it is not a negative number, then it is a real number, and depending on the nature of that number, if that number is a perfect square, it is going to be a rational. If it is not a perfect square, it is going to be irrational. If it is 0, it is equal. If it is not 0, it is unequal. Right, let's grab another one. Let's say, check this. Let's check this. X squared is equals to 4x. Just like that. Here you're going to rearrange it and you see x squared minus 4x is equals to 0. Where your a is going to be 1, your b is minus 4, and your c is 0. There is no c part there. Then discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac, which is your b is minus 4. You square that, minus 4. Your a is 1. Your c is 0. A negative 4 squared is 16. Any number that you're going to multiply by 0 is 0 plus 0 is 16. This is your answer. Now, what is a 16? What is the nature of the number of 16? 16 is equal. I mean, it's a square, perfect square. So if it is perfect square, you have a what? You have a rational. It means that you start with the real. The number is real. It is what? It's a perfect square. It means that it is rational. Because it is not 0, it is unequal. You see? Let's get the one that is going to give us a justice. Let's see if we are going to get the one that is going to give us a justice. Let's take this one as D. I will call it example D. Minus 2x squared minus 16 minus 32 is equals to 0. This is just 0. That side we are running out of space. Right. Your A here is minus 2. Your B is, what did I write here? It's x, 16x here. It's x here. X minus, right? So this is going to be B, it's 16 minus 16, and C is minus 32, right? Quickly, discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac. What is your b? 16 minus 16, square it, minus 4ac. What is your a? A is minus 2 and c is minus 32, right? Take your calculator. A 16 squared, negative 16 squared is going to give you a 256. A negative times negative is positive. A positive times negative is negative. You subtract a number that you are going to get here. What is 4 times 2? It's 8 times 32. It's 256. This is what I wanted to get. Now your discriminant is going to be 0. It means what? It means that this value is real. You start at real. How is this? It's perfect. 0 is a perfect number. Then it is going to be rational. Then, what about 0? If you put a 0 here, I explained this before. If you put a 0 here, if it is 0, whatever number I'm going to get here is minus b plus 0 over 2a is or minus b minus 0 over 2a. That is going to be an equal root. It is going to be equal. Discriminant, when the discriminant is 0 grade level, it means that the roots must be equal. Thank you very much, grade 11. I hope this is going to serve you a justice. It is going to help you to understand more and more of the life problems that you are going to get. Before we can move, let me rather grab one problem that is going to be to show even the matrix can fit in this one. Actually, everything involves the metric, but this was prepared for grade 11. Even metric qualify to watch this video. Even metric can learn a lesson that needs, because this is not taught in metric. We assume that you know this by now. We give you problems that is going to be associative with the knowledge that is required from this chapter. This is a very important chapter and very confusing rather. The problem comes with show that the roots of the equation. Let me write the equation here. Of the equation mx x minus 4 is equals to minus 4 m. Show that the roots of the equation mx into x minus 4 is equals to minus 4m. Here you are going to show that these up to so far are equal for all real values of m. Remember, we have discussed this long ago. When we say the roots are equal, it's when it is doing what? Yes, I can see one student that side says they don't know. Where were you? Go back in the previous video, you will find out that in grade 11 we know that if the discriminant is equals to 0, it means that the roots are equal. If it is greater than 0, but not a perfect square, it's something else. Please, I won't waste any time to explain that. It is already explained in the previous videos. Just go and check it. Grade 11, by the way. Right, here we are going to concentrate on the discriminant that must come up to be a 0. Here, someone can say, I will start with discriminant equals to b squared. before, this is the formula that we know. Discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac, right? Then we rearrange everything that we were given here so that they will be in a what? A standard quadratic formula. Then we multiply here, it's mx squared. We multiply here minus 4mx. You take this 4 on there from the right hand side to the left hand side. It is negative, it is going to be positive. 4m is equals to 0. Now we can see that this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. It is not necessary to solve the value of m, but anyway, if someone has gone far as A is equals to m, B is equals to 4m, C is equals to 4m, right? Then your discriminant is going to be equals to b squared. Here is your b, 4m squared. Your b is negative. Sorry, your b is negative. Your b is negative. Yes. Such mistakes should be avoided when you're doing this mathematics. M is 4m, sorry. 4m, right? Your discriminant is minus 4m. Minus 4m. Must I write the discriminant equation? You know it. But let's go and write it. B squared minus 4ac. This is what I wanted to take it from. Then your b is minus 4m squared. Minus 4a is m. C is 4m. Positive 4m, right? Which is the 4 squared is 16m squared minus 16m squared. Voila! The discriminant is 0. Then you have proven that this is going to have an equal roots. The equal roots and the rest, it is real. And the other one, it's equal. The other one, it's a rational. Someone can say, rather, I don't want to prove the value of m. I just want to grab m squared, mx squared minus 4mx plus 4m. You see, you take out the common factor m, you are left with x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. That was equals to 0 that side. Then your discriminant, rather your a is 1, your b is minus 4, your c is 4. Then your discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, which is b squared. Here is your b squared minus 4 squared minus 4a is 1, c is 4, which is 16 minus 16, which is 0, discriminant. Either way, you are going to find out that your discriminant is a what? Is equal, real, and rational. Right, grade 11 and 12 for that matter, because even grade 12 are welcome to watch this video and learn a thing or two. Thank you very much, YouTubers. You may have the rest of the day. Go and practice everything that we just learned today. Uncle Pythagoras signing out. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share to other learners and other people as well, because some other people enjoy studying, practicing maths in life. Thank you very much. Uncle Pythagoras signing out.